Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu on your Windows 11 computer. So first you need to go to search bar, search for turn Windows features on or off, just tap on it. First you need to search for Windows subsystem for Linux, scroll down a little bit. Okay, you can see this is the one. Make sure to tick this one like this. Then after you need to go up and you can see virtual machine platform. Make sure to tick this one also like this. Okay, then after tap on OK. Once you change that setting, you need to restart your computer to install the setting. Once you are restarted, go to search bar, type PowerShell, right click on it, tap on run as administrator. Tap on yes. In here you need to type WSL --update and hit enter. This will update the WSL into latest version. WSL mean Windows subsystem for Linux. So this is how you can install Ubuntu on your Windows 11. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.